Good morning from Chicago. We're here, we're enjoying our time in Chicago, and today we're gonna go on the architecture boat and Skydeck of Chicago. Come with me to show you all these beautiful places in Chicago. You aren't gonna melt, and you're gonna have all these beautiful architectures.
So first and foremost, the Evening Star is a U.S. Coast Guard inspected vessel, which means it's unlikely to... For granted today, the tall commercial office building.
The hotel, the
building is an example of the most common style of architecture in Chicago today, called the style of contextualism.
And they have people
contextualism is
on top of the Trump, the same level.
A design for a specific
like
site,
a
with certain buildings
I don't
nearby,
know, people
and
drinking.
with even certain geographic features in mind, like this river. The Trump building has 3 setbacks or patios. Each of those setbacks is that horizontal bar.
With the clock
The
tower,
highest setback references the height of that black box
this
building
one
to the
from
left.
our room.
The lowest
I see the
setback
clock,
references the height
I see the building
of the creamy white building
with
to the
the
right.
flag on top.
The silver of those
Another
silver bars
cruise passing
are
by,
halfway in
because
color,
here on
between the
this
creamy white of the
is
right
just
and the black of the boxy building to
just
the left.
boats.
The Trump building only makes sense right
Everybody
there.
likes
It's an example
to see
of
the architecture
contextualism, site-specific
in
design,
Chicago,
the most common
and they
style
have
of
beautiful
architecture
designs
in Chicago
and
today.
The Trump building
Adrian
is
Smith also designed the
built in
tallest building in the world,
2009.
the Burj Khalifa
Now,
in Dubai. This building looks a lot like the Burj
we are
Khalifa.
going
If you want to
under
check out the Burj
Michigan
Khalifa
Avenue.
online.
So Burj
Both buildings are
Khalifa
tall,
is
blue, and
almost the
spinning.
same design and tall
This is
building
Michigan
like
Avenue
this
Bridge,
one.
an over 100-year-old bridge we're about to go under.
So
Lake
this
Michigan used to come up to Michigan
bridge
Avenue
is
right here
over
until
100
1900.
years
So this is where the
old.
lake used to stop. All the area to our back, left, and right, all inflow for the last 400 years. This is the old lake front right here. We're going to 2000. It was the only tall office building under construction when it was completed 4 weeks ago. There are no other tall office buildings
one is
under construction or even under planning in Chicago. Chicago just hits 50%.
So now we're gonna go to
Fulton House, 1898. Only this building we'll talk
and
about
then we come
on
back
this
here
tour.
to the south.
When built in 1898, it was built to be a cold storage facility, a big freezer.
Our tour guide said if we keep going straight, we're going to Wisconsin. So because we don't want to go to Wisconsin, we are turning around right now. are going back. But look at this, they love the flowers here, so pretty.
Right there. Chicago to our back left. So that tall black building, Sears or Willis Tower.
We're in the Gulf of Mexico, but
It's a tall black building with a 2 antenna, that's what I'm talking about. We have a great shot of it right now. We'll talk about that building when I get back on the mic. Right now, I'll jump off the mic and see if anyone has any questions. Now's a good time to grab a drink, use the restroom, and I'll be back on the mic in a few talking about Sears Tower.
And very sunny day today, but it's very still enjoyable, especially if you come early. We get a seat. Our boat is different than this one, but here on the back it's covered. That's where my mom works.
Storyline, sequence of windows, setbacks at the top. One of the tallest buildings in Chicago,
bridges in Chicago. It's more bridges than everywhere else in the world. So we decided to go downstairs. There it is. Having fun in the shade here downstairs. Taking pictures, look around.
New York in the 90s, but
and we see the
first Echo Deco building for 20 years. When they opened
that building with the balls, that's our building. That's the Intercontinental. And in the night they changed the colors on the top. Yesterday was purple, other days like blue or green. And it's a beautiful hotel. And it's very, very good location. It's on Michigan Avenue, close to the Trump Tower and all that beautiful Michigan Avenue street I like. It's the second longest street in the world after Copenhagen. It's a street in Copenhagen, Denmark. And guess what? My next trip is in Copenhagen. So I am now on Michigan Avenue and the second longest street, and the next time I'm gonna go in the longest street in Copenhagen, Denmark. I'm recording my sisters. I'm recording my sister.
And you can see that statue attached here a few blocks away at the right corner.
On this mood, you are just having fun. Drink, watch the beautiful architecture, watch the other boats passing by, go under the 37 bridges they have here in Chicago. And looks like we're going to the Navy Pier right now. Where the Willis, that's the Navy Pier. It's like 10 minutes away from our hotel. And they have a lot of attraction. That's gonna be tonight, because Wednesday and Saturdays they have the fireworks. When in the summer, Wednesday they have it at 9 o'clock, Saturdays they have it at 10 o'clock. So we miss it Wednesday, and we're definitely gonna go tonight at 10 o'clock to see the fireworks at Navy Pier.
So the total amount of ticket, if you ever want to take one of our 1960s classic lake tours today or anytime between the end of the year, just make sure you get that 60% off. Use your ticket for the day to that Shoreline Lake Cruise.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to the 360 over there, and we're gonna see the view on the other side by the navigation. Yesterday we've been to the aquarium, and all the way in the corner, the round one, is the planetarium. Today we're here to see the view from upstairs. It's gorgeous. Do you like this place? The buildings?
Building in the only part.
The higher?
Yes.
The one with 1,000 apartments?
Yes.
Let's go around so we might see it on the other side. What do you think about this view here? I love it. Let's go have fun, see more of this beautiful Chicago skyline. So we're on the line to go to the ledge. We're gonna go and sit on the edge. It's like a glass floor where we can sit and take pictures from 103 floor above. So, but unfortunately there's a little line here, so we have to wait, but I can't wait to go see it. In the meantime, we have this view. What do you think? Look at this beautiful view of Chicago. From every side you're looking, it is beautiful. Every side. I can't wait to go back tomorrow to 360 to take more pictures from there. So we're out, we just got out from the Skydeck, and it's like an interesting experience. We like it. We took some pictures from up there, looking down, sitting on the glass from 103rd floor. I never did that before, so I recommend it. Let's go to Portillo's to eat hot dogs, famous here in Chicago, so we're gonna go eat hot dogs. I like that building. They have a statue on top. It looks like Spain more than Chicago. And the other building, this one, they have a top, and the building is down. Looks like it's made of silver. Do you like Chicago?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Where are you going?
Look at the pretty clothes. We're going to eat hot dogs, the famous Chicago hot dog.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Portillo.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We lost our family far away from us. we just stay to take pictures because it's a beautiful architecture here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And this is the boat where we were in earlier today. Guess what?
Yep.
We find Portillo's. This it's a burger place, but the main people eat here is the hot dog. Beef hot dog, very good. Let's go try. My sister's got Portillo's. This is the view from upstairs. There is few more tables here, and you can stay outside here, but we're staying outside on the other side of it. Nobody else. Okay, this is Portillo's hot dog. So it's a hot dog with the mustard, with the onion, tomato, a big sauce, and French fries and salad. So let's enjoy. I'll let you know if I like the Portillo's hot dog. We left Portillo's. Was very good hot dogs, and now we're walking a little bit just to walk on the hot dogs and the salad and the fries. But so for 4 dogs and 2 salads and drinks, we pay $60. But for Chicago, I think that's a good price, and they're good food. The service not that great because they try to not give us all we ordered, but everything else was good. So we got to Navy Pier, and every Saturday night at 10 o'clock they have a firework. So we are here and we're gonna wait for the firework, and we're not hungry, so sorry I can't show you the drinks and food what they have here, but we're gonna wait for the firework. So this is the Navy Pier wheel, and the kids are going. Sounds like fun. They're screaming.